Hey guys, welcome back to MULE. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install your new MULE mobile workshop. Any point in the process, just go ahead and follow that owner's manual and it'll walk you through all the steps. To assemble the mobile workshop, you want to start from the bottom and work your way up. So grab your axle support, and your axle brace. And what we're going to do is we're going to assemble this component first with one screw and one nut. When this is assembled, this axle brace is going to sit flush on the lower assembly. So you want to make sure that the axle brace angle is correct. They're at different angles. So the longer angle goes towards the lower assembly. So go ahead and grab this, stick it through the axle, then through the axle support, add your nut. Go ahead and for now, just get it finger tight and we'll tighten everything down later. So that's your first assembly. Let's go ahead and do the other side as well. Now we're ready to install the axle to the lower assembly. So go ahead and grab 3 screws for each side and let's put the axle onto the lower assembly. Again, notice the T slots on the outside. And the nuts will go on the back. Now we want to tighten down all of the bolts. You can use the wrench that's provided in the box, or you can use an 8mm bit. I'm just going to tighten down all of the bolts with the drill to save some time. Next, we're going to move to install the loading arm. It's 1 screw and a washer and a nut on each side. Very simple. This is the only screw in the box that's longer than all of the other ones. So if you notice on the hardware pack, there are a lot of short screws and 2 long screws. The 2 long screws go for the loading arm. To install it, take the long screw, put it in the lower assembly, and as soon as the screw comes out, you have to add the plastic washer because that's going to go in between the lower assembly and the yellow loading arm. And then put the screw through the loading arm and add your nut. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're going to install the wheels. What you need is cotter pins and washers. The first step is take the cotter pin, put it in the inside hole on the axle, take the washer, put the washer on, grab a wheel, stick it in there, and then reverse that process by adding a washer and then a cotter pin. And the wheels are installed, as simple as that. Now, let's do the same thing for the other side. Now we're gonna move to the upper assembly. All you need to do is grab the fan and slide it into the slot and tighten down the knobs. Be sure that the wire is on the outside of this back bar. Next, we want to plug in the light. So grab the wire and take it to the power strip and plug in the 2-pin connector and screw it down. Now all of the electrical components on the mobile workshop are powered. You have the light, you have the fan, and you have the power strip. It's all powered through the master power cord that comes off the back of the power strip. Next, we want to add the upper assembly to the lower assembly. So simply slide it on top and let gravity push it down. There are 4 screws that will connect the upper assembly with the lower assembly. The mobile workshop comes with 4 cable clips to help manage some of the cables that comes off the fan and the light. Finally, we want to add the bungee cords to the tool tray. So take your 4 bungee cords, add them in the slot. The bungee cords are used to hold extension cords and other small tools to make the mobile workshop more versatile. To operate the mobile workshop, just plug it in, and then you can turn on the light, the fan, and use the power strip. We hope this video helps you move through the installation of the mobile workshop quicker and more efficiently. If you have any questions, go to muleproducts.com and follow us on social media.